is it true, in your opinion, is it true that the Internal Revenue Code does not make most Americans liable to file a tax return and to pay an income tax that, in fact, when they do so voluntarily? Most Amerians? Mr. Bannister?
Yes, I would say that statement is absolutely true.
Mr. Turner?
Yes, I agree, and it was one of the major reasons that caused me to have to resign from IRS.
Mr. Beecraft?
Well, I'll give you a legal answer. The government says those who are required to file a return are those that are liable. The sections that we have covered today, previously, when you read 6001, 6011, those are the general rules regarding the filing of returns. Those statutes use the word liable. And then if you engage in a search for who's liable for the income tax under Subtitle A, sections 1 through whatever the end is, 1473, it varies from year to year. The only section that you will find in reference to someone liable, using the words of the government, are the withholding agents at 1461, withholding agents for non-resident aliens and foreign corporations. Those are the only ones that are specifically statutorily made liable. Does that answer your question?
Mr. Schultz,
Let me ask.
if I could just comment just from a layman's point of view, even though I was a special agent, CPA, but just like most people, I look at what the IRS provides to me and provides to millions of Americans, as we mentioned in the 1040 instruction booklet. And they are required by law, the Privacy Act and the Paperwork Reduction Act, to inform you of what the requirements are. And it specifically says to file a return for any tax you are liable for. So if the government is required to tell you what your requirements are, and they state it there, and then as we've said, the liability sections are so few, what else is somebody with some common sense to think?
So true.
I thank this man.
I don't know what to do about the depression and the inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value. So, I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. I want you to get up right now. Get up, go to your windows, open them, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. Then we'll figure out what to do about the depression and the inflation and the oil crisis. But first, get up out of your chair, open the window, stick your head out and yell, and say, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. You've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value.